there. Today I'd like to share my son's Toddler Kit. We use this when we're in the car, going to a restaurant or a doctor's office, anytime we need to keep him a little busy. This is a container my older son used to use for his Legos, and now we use it for the Toddler Kit. It's really great too because it closes shut and it has a little handle, and it was free because we already had it. Let's start off with a little sticker book with words just to practice for my son, and I got that from the Dollar Tree. Another Dollar Tree find was these sticker scene books. They have all different kinds, and I really like them because he can put them on there and he can create whatever he wants to. They aren't reusable, but for $1 I think it's a pretty good deal. This I got from Once Upon a Child for $1. All the books there are $1, and everything in my kit is either $1 or cheaper. I got this because I thought it was really cute that if we are at a restaurant, it's about eating and choosing the right healthy things to eat. Next, I have this little container. It's got a few loose pieces in it, so I wanted to make sure I put it in another little container. This is a little foam book with paper in it. I got these were 6 for 99 cents at Hobby Lobby in the craft section, and my son loves the feel of them. He just always asks for his phone books. He already used all the other 5 of them, so I thought might as well put it in the restaurant kit. And he just put stickers or drawers on them, and I grabbed these little markers that I got from the Dollar Tree with something else. It was with something else, I'm not sure what, and it's easier for his little hands to draw and write with them. With this, this is a little sticker, or I'm sorry, not a sticker, a stamp. And I swear by these for restaurant kits because when you're using other kinds of stamps, the ink pad, some of them are big, some of them get in the way. And with this, it just comes with it. You just take the cap off and you just start going. I have a hard time finding these anymore though. I don't really see them at stores much. So I'm gonna be on the lookout for them. These are little, for like pencils or pens, they're little grips. And my son loves the feel of these and the texture of them to put on pipe cleaners. So I keep them in there for him to play with. Put the guy in there. Next, I have a puzzle. I really don't like to put puzzles in activity kits because you can lose them and you just never know. But this is a small one. It was from the Dollar Tree. They have a lot of different versions. They have ships, they have trucks, airplanes, cars, and he really likes this, so I thought I'll put it in and give it a try. Another thing I picked up at Dollar Tree was vehicle bingo. I thought using this in the car would be really fun. And even if we're in a restaurant or a doctor's office, I could call out different vehicles and he can put a little X on them. Here's another book because my son's really into fire trucks right now, and I thought he'd get a kick out of reading this or looking through it. And I love books that have these kinds of things, this like the way you turn the pages this way, because little hands haven't learned how to turn pages as well yet, so it's a little easier for them. This I found at the Dollar Tree, and I thought it was pretty cool because most of the time the little ring doesn't come with it. You'd have to put it on yourself, but you can either make your own flashcards with this or they can just draw on it, whatever they want to do, put stickers on it. But I really thought that was kind of cool because I've never seen that at the Dollar Tree before. Another one from the Dollar Tree, you can tell I like to shop at the Dollar Tree, was these little index cards for animals. I really like them because they're realistic pictures. I put the ring on myself, and it also gives you a description of that animal. And my son loves it. Here's a little fidget wooden caterpillar that I got from the Dollar Spot at Target. It was $1, and he really likes to play with it with his hands. So that'll go in our restaurant kit. And the last thing I'll show you, which is a big hit already because I just threw it in my purse the one day and we were at a pool party and I pulled it out and he just loved it, and so did all the other kids. They were all trying to get their hands on it. All the moms asked me where I got it, and it was the Target Dollar Spot for $1. My son can't really write the letters yet, but it's like dry erase, so it's a big hit with kids. They really loved it. Even my 8-year-old niece loved playing with this, so because she was writing out all the words and everything. It's great, and it does wipe away very easily. So definitely putting that in there. And that's it. So that's the restaurant kit. I hope it gave you some ideas, and I hope you have a happy and safe summer. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.